Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to get free traffic to your Gumroad store in 2026. Yeah, if you're not getting enough visitors or sales, don't worry. This strategy will help you attract the right audience without spending money because, honestly, free traffic is all about consistency and smart content. So first, use YouTube. Create simple videos around your product like tutorials, problem-solving content, or reviews and add your Gumroad link in the description. YouTube traffic can bring long-term passive visitors if your content ranks well. Next, leverage TikTok and short-form content. Yeah, post quick tips, behind-the-scenes clips, or value-based content related to your product. Viral short videos can drive a lot of free traffic in a short time. After that, use Twitter or X. Share insights, threads, and updates about your niche, and include your product link naturally. Consistent posting helps build authority and attract interested buyers. Also, write on platforms like Medium or LinkedIn. Yeah, creating helpful articles around your product topic can rank on search engines and bring in steady organic traffic over time. And yeah, build an email list. So offer a free resource like an ebook or template, collect emails, and promote your Gumroad products directly to your audience without relying on algorithms. Finally, focus on value and consistency. Most of the time, creators who post regularly and provide real value generate the most free traffic and long-term sales without paid ads. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.